Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to auto-start your Infiniti QX60. Remote starting your vehicle offers convenience, especially in extreme weather. We'll cover the simple steps to get your engine running from a distance. This feature allows you to warm up or cool down the cabin before you even step inside. It's a great way to enhance your daily driving experience and comfort. To begin, ensure your QX60 is completely locked. First, press the lock button on your key fob one time. Then, within about 5 seconds, press and hold the circular remote start button. Keep holding it for at least 2 seconds until the vehicle's exterior lights flash. This confirms the remote start signal has been received and the engine is preparing to start. Once the lights flash, listen for the engine to start. Your QX60 engine will run for approximately 10 minutes. If you need more time, you can repeat the remote start process for another 10-minute cycle. When you're ready to drive, simply unlock the doors with your key fob, enter the vehicle, and press the brake pedal to take control. Remember a few key safety tips for remote starting. Never use this feature in an enclosed space like a garage due to exhaust fumes. Also, the vehicle's hood must be completely closed, and the transmission must be in the park position. These precautions ensure safe and proper operation of your Infiniti QX60 remote start system every time you use it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.